Welcome everyone. Myself Manisha Patel. I am from Mumbai and I am the Tipento Nail Salon and wife operation head of CEO. Okay, so basically we are in like a 15 years in this industry. We have like a nails, lashes and brows. We are in like a nail service, lashes service. We have a like a pedicure service. What we are doing is something different compared to other salons. Like our hygiene, our safety, our product, it's totally different. So we are in like a Tipento, now we are come to in Vibe. Vibe it's for like a Gen Z, something new coming up, and we are already in Tipento. So we are there like already mothers goes for the service and we launching for the new for the Vibe salons. So basically our plan to opening in Chennai, it's a first Gen Z salon that it's for a new things that what we have a think about. So basically, absolutely, we love Chennai. So we have a plan to open a new salon in Chennai for a Vibe, the Gen Z new salon for that we have a started.
வணக்கம். ஸோ சென்னையில் வந்து நெயில் சலூன் ஒன்று ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ஐடியா வந்துச்சு எங்களுக்கு. ஸோ பேசிக்லி வி காட் அன் ஐடியா ஃப்ரம் த Tipento, which is an existing brand in Chennai. So we got that idea. So with that, we are looking for franchisees and we approached Tipento. So when we approached them, they are really friendly people and their concept was really good, which suits to this generation, Gen Z kids. So the products we are pitching now and which is target to the Gen Z kids and as well as the existing people who are so like that. So that makes sense. It will stick on to the market for a very long period. So from certain period like 20 years, it will stick on. That's an idea. So that's the thought process we have, and we took this franchisee from Tipento. So from Tipento, we started a new franchisee Vibe. With Tipento is a kind of luxury brand. It's kind of it's targeting the Gen Z kids and it's a medium segment customers as well. So our motto is to serve all the generation people and as well as the existing people. That's it.
So many people are nail artistry.
Nail artistry.
How you are different from other? Safety is it something?
So Vibe is totally different from other traditional salon to our salons. So we are like Tipento is totally different. So like where mothers go for a service, so same thing and Vibe for a Gen Z. For their kids, we have a plan to launch in Chennai, and this is our first outlet in Chennai. So we have a think for a new generation.
What's the plan, future plan?
Future plan to open overall pan India, everywhere from south to north.
So we have a salon in many cities, Mumbai, the Tipento. So that's why we plan to open the first salon, Gen Z salon in Chennai, because Chennai has supported us good for the Tipento. The main motive is now the generation is going to Gen Z, so we want even to Gen Z come up.
Yes.
Any bridal makeup something that you are cutting concept?
Not in bridal.
Not the bridal. This is only nails. Like
Nails.
what we have a nail service, nails, lashes, and microblading. What we are doing it. The same thing for Vibe also. We are doing the same. Nails, lashes, and brows, and the pedicure. So Vibe is totally different compared to Tipento. Vibe it's like a quick service. What we have a new launch. So now this generation they want like a quick service. They don't want to wait. So that's why we have a launch for a new product. So quick they can do like a nails, pedicure, like express many to then nails for a new example. We have a service for that. It's we can talk nail fix clause. That is no one knows what we have, the service name.
Basically the thing is the menu which other salons have, we have our menu name
at an affordable cost.
Affordability of
Yes, the premium quality, affordable pricing, and for more of like a Gen Z audience who can affordable also, and like premium quality, premium product, safety, hygiene, everything we have the concept for in Vibe.
you are the franchisee.
Yes, I am.
What is the address? Where it is located?
It's located in Adayar, Besant Avenue Road. Yes.
You invite people, sir. Please come.
Yeah. Okay. So everyone are welcome to our salon. You can try it here for all Gen Z kids and others, everyone. Yeah.
So basically we have a like a Vibe salon that you understood, like we have a premium target for a Gen Z kids only. So I just want to say to Gen Z team that please come have a do the nails and show your best what you like at the new service. So I just want to say, hey Gen Z, come and do your nails and give the best, your whatever feedback you have it. Best. That's the thing.